Hey everyone, welcome back another video. Today we're checking out the powerful DJI Mavic 4 Pro and what makes it so special. Then 4/3 CMOS Hasselblad camera 100MP and RC Pro 2 with collapsible design and infinite and new aerodynamic design and infinity gimbal 360% and telecamera DJI O4 video transmission and 30 km and 10-bit HDR around 16 stops of dynamic range and 0.1 lux nightscape omnidirectional obstacle sensing, making the DJI Mavic 4 Pro incredibly powerful for both daytime aerial shots and stunning low-light footage. And the RC Pro 2 controller makes the flying experience even better, and 70-degree tilt screen gives pilots a more comfortable viewing angle while flying and capturing aerial shots. This makes the DJI Mavic 4 Pro not just powerful, but also incredibly convenient for both beginners, and 28mm Hasselblad camera delivers stunning image quality with rich colors and incredible detail, making every aerial shot look truly cinematic. All new 4/3 CMOS f20.11 voluble aperture giving you full control over depth of field and exposure, whether you're shooting bright daylight landscapes or low-light night scenes. With this setup, every shot is more detailed, colors pop vividly, and dynamic range ensures that highlights and shadows are perfectly balanced. Combined with advanced stabilization, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro allows you to capture cinematic aerial footage smoothly, even in challenging conditions. Its intelligent flight modes, including Active Track and 70mm medium telecamera 1.3 CMOS f2.8 high-resolution lens delivers crisp, detailed shots even from a distance, perfect for capturing wildlife, sports, or architectural details. Combined with the drone's stabilization and advanced imaging algorithms, every frame comes out sharp and vibrant. Whether you're shooting fast-moving action, scenic landscapes, or intricate cityscapes, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro ensures smooth, professional-quality footage every time. Its intelligent exposure settings, advanced HDR capabilities, and high dynamic range allow you to capture both highlights and shadows perfectly, giving your videos a cinematic. And 168mm telecamera all-new 1.5 CMOS f2.8 high-resolution lens designed to capture subjects at long distances with exceptional clarity and detail. Whether you're photographing wildlife, sports, or architectural marvels, this powerful tele-lens paired with the Mavic 4 Pro's stabilization system ensures every shot is crisp, vibrant, and ready for professional use. It's perfect for creators who demand both flexibility and cinematic quality in their aerial footage. With all these features combined, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro isn't just a drone, it's a complete creative tool. From ultra-wide landscapes to detailed teleshots, low-light nightscapes to high-speed action, this drone empowers creators to push the boundaries of what's possible in aerial cinematography. And 6 low-light vision sensor and the forward-facing LiDAR on the right arm work together to provide exceptional obstacle detection and flight safety, and 0.1 lux nightscape omnidirectional obstacle sensing. The new fisheye sensor and the new fisheye sensor offer higher performance, increasing daytime resolution by 4 times compared to the Air 3s and enhancing dynamic range, which provide a more detailed perception of the surrounding environment and allowing the DJI Mavic 4 Pro to capture richer and Active Track 360-degree tracking ensures that moving subjects are followed smoothly from every angle. Car mode and direction recognition and 200m distance ultra-small car recognition make the DJI Mavic 4 Pro an extremely intelligent and reliable drone for all kinds of aerial filming. Whether you're following vehicles in car mode, navigating complex urban environments, or tracking tiny objects from long distances, the drone's advanced sensors and AI algorithms ensure precise tracking and stable, cinematic footage every time. And 7-inch mini LED and 2000 nits peak brightness screen to reflect D-Log true color, ensuring that every shot you capture on the RC Pro 2 controller is accurate, vibrant, and true to life. 4 hours battery life. 128GB storage supports third-party apps and dynamic home point, making car filming more accurate and safe. Thanks for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe for updates.